Today we're making a Kurdish Ocra Stew called Shlay bamya. And before we get started, I want to welcome you to my channel. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So here is what we'll need: 300 grams cow beef, 400 grams frozen okra, 2 tomatoes, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 4 garlic cloves, 1 pinch of citric acid, and salt according to your taste. I'll start by browning the beef without adding oil, and then I'll add some salt. Browning the meat until there is no more liquid, and then I'll add some oil. I'll then add boiled water. Put the lid back on and let it simmer on low heat until the meat is tender. And while the meat is slowly cooking, we're going to prep the rest of the goodies. I like to peel the skin of my tomatoes. I'll make a cut into the skin and put the tomatoes in a bowl. Then I'll pour boiling water over the tomatoes and let it sit for 3 minutes. Make sure you let them cool before you start peeling them. I'm going to chop the tomatoes and chop the garlic in halves. Now that I have my okra in another pot, I'm going to add salt and oil. Let the okra saute for a few minutes. Then I'll add the tomatoes. We're going to push the okra aside and adding the tomato paste. I let it fry for a few minutes all together and remove the pot from the heat. It's been 1 hour and 30 minutes since I let the meat simmer, and as I can see, the meat is tender. Now I'll add the okra mix in the big pot with the meat. I'll give it a stir, and at this point I will add the garlic and the citric acid and put the lid back on. I let it all simmer at low heat for another 15 minutes. Our bamya is done. Guys, the aroma and taste is unique. You can serve this dish with different kinds of rice recipes or bulgur. Check out the description box where I'll share a link to an easy rice recipe that would go along with this stew. So that was all for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you again very soon.